What we have to do now is publish. And we now have a page sitting out there. But it isn't our home page. If we view our site now, you'll see that it doesn't come up on our home page, but it is showing underneath pages. So what we need to do is go to Settings, and this is where we set our static home page, and that's of course providing you want to do this. You don't even have to use pages. If you don't want to, you can just use post like a regular blog. So let's go to Reading, select the static home page, and then out of the drop-down list, we pick the page that we want as our home page. Down here, we can set how many blog posts you want to see, how many posts are shown in the syndicated feed. For each article in a feed, show you the full text or the summary, and the encoding of the page. Usually going to leave that in UTF-8. We'll save the changes. Now when we visit our site, you'll see that it has now become our home page. Next we'll go add a post and pick a category, and then it'll start showing down the side here. So go back to admin, then we go add new post, and then we paste our post in or write it in. Now what we're going to do is we're going to set our category. You can also put an excerpt down here if you want, just a part of the article. Some themes will use that, some will not. So under categories, we will be talking about making money with affiliate marketing. And you can pick multiple categories if you need to. Up here you have tags. This is just like tagging anything, almost like a keyword. So you just put your tags in here you want to use. And then you can put more in there if you want. Now, if you want to add media, you can insert music, videos, and images just by clicking up here. So say we wanted to import or insert an image, we can just click right there. And then we can either upload it from our computer or we can bring it in from a URL here. So all we'd have to do is put the URL to the image in here and give it a title. You can also give it a caption here, how we want it aligned. And we can link image to a URL if we want as well. If we want to do it from a URL. And then you have your media library where you can look at everything that is stored currently. Will show up in here. So let's upload something from the computer here. So browse. And we can bring in our image just by picking it. Okay, and then it is uploaded in here for us. Now we can set the title, the description down here, the link URL, etc. So that's how you get any media you want into your post. Now we just insert into post down here. And it has brought the picture into our post. Now same with video. We want to insert a video here. We can add video. Then we can select the file we want here. Then we find a video file. Upload. Now with video files, rather than upload it here, it might be a better idea to upload it with FTP and then link to it using the URL. So I'm going to cancel that. But that's how you can do it. And same with a music file or audio file. You do exactly the same thing here. It looks exactly the same. Again, you're going to either select the file or the URL and then insert it into your post. And here's the gallery. And this will show us the media that we have in our media gallery. Okay, and then when we're done, we just click Publish. Now we go visit our site. You'll see that under Categories, we have Making Money in Affiliate Marketing because those are the ones we chose. It's under our Archives here. If we click on that, and there's our article within there. Now there's a couple more things we need to talk about, and those are links. A lot of times you're going to want to put links off your blog, probably almost always, to one of your products or all of your products or to affiliate products. So click on Links. Now here are the links that are already on the page. So you go to View Site. And we roll down here. Here's those links that are showing up. So what we want to do is delete all those. Okay, so those links are all gone. Now what we want to do is go to Link Categories. And this is an optional step. The link category by default right now is called Blog Roll. You can add more categories to post your links under if you want to have multiple categories of links, or you can create one category, or you can just rename this one. If we go into Quick Edit, we can change Blog Roll to My Links. Now some themes are going to show this, and some are not. So it may or may not do anything at all, but it's a good idea to have your categories make sense. And then we go and we just add our links now. So in here, you put the web address, base, our description, and then our link for our affiliate program or whatever we're linking to. Down here, you can put your description, which will show when people hover over top of your link. Okay, down here, select your category. And of course, you can add some more from here. Target. If you pick that one, it's going to open in a new page. Down here is just some notes. Right in here, we just have some notes for your own use. Down here, you can put an image address and an RSS address to go along with this link. Okay, so when we have that, we click Add Link. Now you just go ahead and add all your links in there. The link was added. Now if you go down to Edit, this was where your links will show, and you can change them if you need to. Now let's go back to our site one more time. And you see under Links, your own home-based business. Let's go back to Admin and just go over one thing with the template that shows you how to modify the sidebar here. Let's go to Widgets underneath Appearance. Might be under Themes in some versions of WordPress. Widgets allow you to customize the sidebar so it looks the way you want. So what you can do is just add anything from this side into your sidebar and it'll replace what's already on there. So if we want to show our pages, and then we want to show our recent posts, then our archives, categories, tag cloud, RSS, recent comments, and now if you have these out of order, you can just grab a hold of them and move them around. Like so. When you're happy with that, just save the changes. And we'll view our site, and you notice the sidebar will have changed. You see, it now matches our layout. Now let's talk about an easy way that you can add advertisement such as AdSense to your blog. Let's go back to the admin area. Then let's go to widgets. And this will be an easy way that you can add an advertisement in your sidebar. Of course, you'll have to pick a pattern that will fit in the sidebar. All you have to do is add a text element. And we can take the text element and move it where we want it. And we can edit it. And in here, you can put any text you want. Now, AdSense and most other advertising programs are just going to give you some code, and you can just paste that code in here. For instance, if we were going to put an AdSense ad in there, what we'd want to do is use a vertical ad. So any one of these will work in there. Let's go with 160 by 600. Then set your colors and so on accordingly. Then grab the code. Now we'll just paste it in here. And you'll see up here we have a place where you can put a title. So you have to put a title in there that goes along with AdSense terms of service if you're using AdSense. Or you can put whatever you want here if you're not using AdSense. If you're using your own advertising or you're selling advertising space to individual companies, you can put whatever you want here. We'll just put sponsored links. Click Done. Save the changes. Now we'll go view our site. Okay, and here's your AdSense code right over here. Of course, it hasn't had time to crawl it. Didn't set the colors properly. However, that is how you set it up. And you can put any advertisement in the sidebar you want.